Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture on percentage. In this lecture, I am going to tell you some of the super best tricks which are really going to be helpful in your examinations. There are basically 11 types of questions from which questions have been asked in different kind of examinations like banking, railway, SSC and many more. So starting with the type A based on percent increase. So the first question on this type is Ram's income is 20% more than Shyam's income. What percentage of Shyam's income is less than Ram's income? Ram's income is 20% more than Shyam's income. If we assume income of Shyam to be 100, so the Ram's income is 120. So what percentage of Shyam's income is less than Ram's income? Doing this type of question is like, first use this number which has been given here, right? 20. Now it is saying that it is 20% more. Please give an eye here that it is talking about more. So 20% more which means equals to 120. In percentage everything is done in terms of 100, means 100 is taken as the reference number. So on increasing it becomes 120. So 20 upon 120 into 100, which becomes equals to the 16 whole 2 by 3%. So it is really very simple. Now the second question on this type is the price of a commodity is increased by 10%. What percent will a consumer decrease its consumption so that expenditure on this commodity remains same? Now this question says that means 10% is increased on a commodity. So what percent should a consumer decrease its consumption so that his expenditure remains the same? Now again it is really the same. This 10 it should be used here like as 10 upon, it is talking about increased, so 10 upon 110 into 100, which is equals to 9 whole 1 by 11%. See how simple it is. Next, talking about that second type, which is type B based on percent decrease. It is more or less equals to the type A, means here it is talking about increase and in this we are talking about the decrease. So if the question remains the same, means Ram income is now here 20% less than Sham's income. So doing the trick for this kind of question is 20 upon 80 into 100. This is because here if the question is same, then here we are talking about 20% less. The thing which needs to be focused is that this less. So 20 upon 80 because 100 minus 20 which is equals to 80. So 20 upon 80 into 100. In the same way, the second type of question, if I have a look, then in this it is talking about the price of commodities increased by 10%. Now in percentage decrease, if the question will come in a way that the price of a commodity is decreased by 10%. So so again we will do here is 10 upon 90, as it is 10%, so 100 minus 10 equals to 90. 10 upon 90 into 100. So these are the two types which have been completed. Now talking about the type C based on both increase and decrease. The question on this is a man's income at first increased by 10% and later on increased again by 20%. Means in the same question we have both kind of things, increase as well as decrease, means 2 times increase. So there can be different kinds of questions which have the same type of things like increase and decrease, increase by 10% and then decrease by 30%. So doing these questions, the trick needs to be like this. Please concentrate here. Plus x plus y plus x into y by 100. Now what is x and y? The x is the first number which has been given here, that is 10. Y is the second number which has been given here, that is 20. And again you will use here. Now what about these signs? The plus sign stands for increase. the minus sign stands for decrease. So doing this question is like 10 plus 20, as both the things are on increase, plus 10 into 20 upon 100. In this we have to calculate the total percent increase. So it would be like this: 0 to 0, 0 to 0. 10 plus 20, 30 plus 2, which is equals to 32%. So guys, these were the three types on percentage. In my coming lectures I am going to tell you some of the more types on questions on percentage, but now it's time for some tricks. These questions which are written here, these questions are generally seen in many kind of examinations, but there is no particular specified chapter in which where you will get these type of questions. So I am going to tell you how to do these questions in just 1 or 2 seconds, hardly 1 or 2 seconds. Like, this is the question: 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 up to the infinity. The number written here is 12. So break this number in such a way that the multiplication of two digits and the difference between two digits should be 1. So the two digits which will break 12 are 4 and 3, means 4 into 3 equals to 12. Now here the plus sign, so plus sign, because of this plus sign our answer would be the 4, means the bigger number would be our answer. So the answer to this question would be the 4. In this question again, 42 is 6 cross 7, but here as this is minus sign, so the answer would be the smaller digit, means the 6 and not the 7. So here answer would be 6. Now as this number cannot be broken down into smaller digits, so here the answer would be directly the 7. Coming to this question, this question is not up to the infinity. Here are root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2. The value to this question would be 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 4 roots. So 2 to the power, as there are 4 roots, so 2 to the power is 16. So 16 minus 1, 15 by 16 would be the answer to this question. Now in this question again here are 4 roots: 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the power 4 equals to 16. So 1 upon 16 would be the answer to this. So thank you. This was my video lecture on percentage. We are going to again meet in my next lectures. Thank you.